All right, guys, I'm currently standing outside of a 2020 Honda HR-V. This is going to be the EX package. It's going to be a step above the Sport in the middle here, all right? Let's walk up to the Maroni sticker. We'll try to get the best view of that as possible. You guys are welcome to pause the video right here for the additional information. You get your fuel economy, 26 for the city, 31 for the highway with a combined rating of 28. You have all of your safety ratings over here on the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to have the price, and then the list of features, which we're going to go over today. All right, let's sneak up peek up front. You're going to have the 1.8 4-cylinder with the CVT transmission. All of your Honda sensing features come standard with the EX package. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking. You're going to have a nice LED daytime running light. Comes up, wraps around, kind of sneaks up here with the chrome wraps. Comes all the way around, as you guys can see. You're gonna have fog lights that come standard. Down below, you're gonna have roof rails up top. As we kind of wrap around along the side here, you're gonna have your 17-inch alloyed rims, heated side mirrors with turning indicators here on the side. Nice body colored handles, not black out, looks pretty nice. You're gonna have smart entry with this, so simply hit lock here. You can walk up to the car with your key fob in your pocket, purse, jacket, wherever you have it, put your hand in the handle, unlocks it for you. And then you can simply keep your key fob in your pocket, hit the little button right there, it locks it so you can walk away. The cool thing about this is that you can't lock your keys in the car. So if I just, drop it in there, hit the lock button here, shut the door. As you can tell, it just clicked. Hopefully you guys can hear that. If you didn't, let me show you. You can open up the door. So that's pretty nice. It's going to be a push button start. We'll visit that here in a moment. Now it's going to have 4 doors. The handles are going to be up here on the top side. Simply put your hand up here and pull. After I unlock the door. There we go. Pulls right open. As we kind of check within the door, you're going to have some additional cubby space down below over here. That's pretty simple for the most part. Nice cloth seats. It's going to be 60-40 split seats so they can fold down. You're also going to have the magic seats here, so you can fold that right up. Simply lift this, pull the bar down. Both sides would do that so they can adjust accordingly. So if you got something tall or a big box, a bike, as you kind of see fit, just kind of throw it in there. Carpet mats come standard. No additional charge for those. As you kind of sneak right in here, you're going to have a 12-volt plug-in, some additional cubby space, water bottle, cup holder. These seats do recline a little more. If you pull this cover down, as you can see, there's roughly about an inch difference right there. So it gives a little more recline. All right, as we wrap here towards the back, you have LED taillights with the multi-angle backup camera. Nice chrome tipped exhaust. You got the all-wheel badging here. They do make this in a front-wheel drive. It's available. HR-V badging as well. It's going to be a hydraulic gate. Plenty of space back here for any kind of adventures. If you need some additional space, simply push down these headrests. Push that down, comes out nice and flat. So, how cool is that? Let's do the same with this. Pull down, push. So, any kind of large cargo, a lot of stuff you need, throw it in there, challenge accepted. You're gonna have a manual light for your day, for your nighttime loading. Spare tire down below. Additional tools, stuff you're gonna need for those unforeseen events. You got your jack right there. Now as we sneak over here on the passenger side, you're gonna have the Honda LaneWatch. It's going to be a camera that's going to be right down here underneath the passenger side. So when you use your right indicator to turn, it's going to display on the 7-inch display screen on what's over here, so increase your visibility. Pretty nice. Let's sneak up front here, guys, in the front seat. So we open up the door here. This is all pretty much straightforward. You guys know this already. So you can power windows, power locks. You got your Settings right there, selected for your mirror, select additional cubby space right there. It's going to be a manual seat, so it's going to be a pump action. Now to raise it, you simply pull up, lower it, you pump down, you got your tilt here, you got your squeeze bar to slide forward and back. It's going to be a push button start, so you need the key fob in the car for it to work. We'll set that down, put your foot down on the brake, push this button here, and it starts right up. It's that easy. All right, so we're gonna have your gas and hood release down below. Your steering wheel adjustment, simply pull that out and adjust from that point. It's a telescope, goes in and out, up and down, so find what you like and then push it right back in. Over here, we're gonna have some additional buttons. You have the Econ Mode. So when you hit that button, a little green leaf comes on. It makes you more fuel efficient for your highway driving. And how it does that is by changing the RPMs of your car. You're gonna nerf your acceleration and AC power. You may get from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon for your highway driving, depending on your habits. So you gotta choose when you wanna use that. It can be a really hot day, you know, if it's 120 degrees, you have to choose. Do you wanna be fuel efficient or do you wanna be comfortable? From that point. You can keep it on for your city, it just won't be as effective, okay? You have your vehicle stability assist, forward collision magnetic braking if you ever want to shut that off, and then you have your road departure that kind of corresponds with your lane keep assist. Now you have your Honda LaneWatch, so as you turn on your blinker here, as you can see, it just displays on that side, so I'm not looking past the passenger, whoever's dancing, or if I'm just having a hard time seeing what's over there. Just hit that and it comes right on. Now if I turn off my blinker, it just comes right off. You're gonna have auto headlights, shifter pedals. You got your wipers, everything over here on the other side. You got my rear wipers, front. So we're gonna turn off the Econ. Now, as we're kind of looking here at the wheel, you're gonna have your hands free for your phone with voice command. So if I'm saved in your phone as Crazy Honda Chris or Crazy Chris, just hit that, say call Crazy Chris on mobile phone, and give me a quick little call. I answer all of you guys' questions you may have. You're gonna have your different volume controls right here, different menu buttons. So as you hit the menu button, this whole thing kind of pops up between phone and music. You can change between the stations, volume control. And then on the right hand side, you can have all of your Honda sensing features. It's going to make it pretty convenient. We'll display everything down here on the bottom right hand corner. You can tell when your Honda sensing is available by the green writing. So you got the ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, then you have your lane keep assist. And you can simply turn that on or off by hitting this main button, guys. So just hit that. As you can see, it's no longer available. Now it is available. Okay. Now, to set your cruise control, you simply hit set, then you can adjust the speeds from there. And then to use your adaptive cruise control, you can hit that button there. And as you guys can see, oh, let me try to zoom in here. All right, so you gotta, there it is. Got it set now. You got the different lines right there that are changing. Is the distance you're setting between you and the car in front of you. Okay. Then you have your lane keep assist. It's going to be those hollowed out lines. It's going to be this button right here. So when you go between 45 and 90 miles an hour, it keeps you in the center of your lane. When those are working, it'd be filled in dotted white lines from that point. So you got all of your Honda sensing there. Let's kind of sneak here towards the middle. You got a nice 7-inch display screen. You're gonna have a multi-angle backup camera. So as you can see on the bottom right-hand corner, bottom left-hand corner, you have different buttons that you can select. You have a wide view, just like the button shows how the camera acts. Then you have a straight behind you view, and then a straight down from your rear bumper. Now as you turn the wheel, that turns as well. It changes colors to let you know if you're aligned and kind of guides you what direction you're going. So you're definitely in the know what's going on at all times. It's going to be hands-free for your phone. You can pair up to 6 phones. You can customize your Honda sensing features, everything within settings and vehicle settings, which you can only access when the car is in park. You have the HondaLink. So a lot of cool features is going to be in there. Your music sources, stuff like that. You're going to have satellite radios that are going to be available. You get 3 months of that for free when you purchase a new Honda HR-V EX. You have FM, AM radio, Pandora, Bluetooth, iPod. You can use your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too as well. Or if you have any CDs downloaded onto a flash drive, it's just a plug and go. All right. You can change the brightness of your screen by this button right up here. Just kind of smack that a couple of times. You can change that so if it kind of bugs you during your nighttime driving. Nice little volume knob.
There's like a beef between the deaf and hard of hearing.
Shut that right off. You got your hazard warning light. Nice adjustable ear vents, kind of wrap around. Now down below, you're gonna have all of your USB plugins with the tray down here, so you can set your phone devices down there. It's gonna have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you have an Apple phone, it's just a plug and go. If you have an Android phone, you have to download Android Auto and then plug. You want to make sure you allow all the permissions for it to work. And then on the other side, you're going to have your 12-volt plug-in down there. Now you're gonna have all of our climate controls and everything here. You're gonna have heated seats, come standard. It's gonna be a touchscreen. So you just hit that heated seat in the moment. You got a low and a high from that point. Now you get your temperature. Just kind of hit the arrows. As you can see, it changes your different modes. Hit the mode. Then you get your fan speed right here. You can turn that on or off, AC. So it's all pretty much straightforward. Heated side mirrors with your rear defroster. Now as we look down at the shifter, we have a standard drive and a sport drive. We have electrical park and brake and a hold brake. So if you're going through the drive-through and you don't want to shift to park, you can simply hit the hold brake. When your foot's down on the brake, it holds the brake for you until you hit the gas, or if you're waiting on the train, okay? Let's get this cord out of the way. So a nice leather armrest in the center. It slides forward and back in two different modes. Some additional cubby space. Cup holders. So they are fully adjustable. You got little buttons here on the side, hit those things pop out. Now if you got a bigger cup, simply kind of push those right in, it locks right in place until you hit these buttons, and everything unlocks and unfolds from that point. So once again, nice cloth seats here up front, looking pretty good. Glove box, nice deep glove box. Gonna have your mirrors. So you're gonna have a one-touch power moonroof. Simply slide that button back. It opens and closes, tilts, and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's take one last look here on the outside, guys. This is pretty much the 2020 Honda HR-V EX package. You get some additional bells and whistles. Main thing you're gaining is the Honda sensing. This is where that starts. If you want those additional safety features, this is where you have to kind of look. If you guys have any questions about the HR-V or ever owned one and know someone that does want to share that experience or want to have any questions, drop a comment down below, or feel free to contact me, Crazy Chris here at Randy Kill Honda. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye.